Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. You know, one thing the internet doesn't have enough of, and that's Vise restoration videos. There's just not enough of them, so today I'm going to do my part. Here we go. Okay, so I was going after this with the wire wheel, and I decided that I needed to stop. And the reason I want to stop is because, as you can see, this is super rusty. Inside here is very, very rusty, and I don't know that I can get to all of it. Certainly not with a powered grinder. I could probably get to it with a little wire brush, but I don't know if that's going to get the rust out. And in here, it's the same deal. So and I need to remove that thing too, that piece. So anyway, I stopped, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and degrease everything and then go ahead and get some paint stripper, strip it off that way, and soak it in vinegar, get all the rust away from it, and then I can wire brush and do some things like, well, for example, I don't know if you can see this little nub. I was filing that down because it was getting in the way, and I think I may file a couple of little things like that. But anyway, I'm going to take a chemical approach to this instead of just manhandling it with a wire wheel, and we'll proceed. right, so this is the part I really like. It's kind of like Christmas. You get to open presents, right? I get to take the stuff out of the vinegar and see all the rust is gone. Oh my God, this stinks. Ah. That's pretty good. But I'm gonna leave it in there another day. Oh my gosh, this smells like farts. Oops, I forgot about that. Well, after this dries, I'll come back and grind out those little burrs in that. That turned out pretty good, I think. So add that to your list of Vise restoration videos, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.